project title is Rating Prediction Based on Social Sentiment from Textual Reviews. Our guide is Dr. K. Prasanna-Lakshmi ma'am. Our team members are V. Shraddha, V. Abhinava, K. Kavya and R. Gayatri. So our project is basically where we generally have a lot of products in our online shopping site, and we give a lot of ratings for them, reviews for them. So ratings are produced with those reviews. So how are they and produced, and what is the quality of their is totally different, because it will be either positive or negative but never shows the neutral values. So we are trying to implement a paper which is from IEEE transactions on multimedia, which uses RPS system, that is rating sentiment based rating prediction method, where we fuse three factors, namely user sentiment influence, interpersonal sentiment influence, and items reputation similarity. So we fuse these three factors into the RPS and predict the missing values whenever required. So with a little enhancement of this paper, we are using only two factors, that is user sentiment similarity and items reputation similarity, and we are trying to get the output of the missing values. So let us see the execution. For executing our project, we are using the Apache Tomcat server, and once we on it, the local host, we can run our project in the local host. After we log in with our credentials, this is our shopping site. For the admin, giving the proper credentials, only he can log in. He can add data, like he can add a category, main category like clothing, accessories, etc. He can add a subcategory like in mobiles, Apple, in jeans, Levi's, etc. And he can also delete it. Before getting into the other tabs, let us see what a user also can do. So a user, they can sign up with their valid email IDs, valid telephones, etc. And we've already have a user named John 123@gmail.com with his password. So this is the home page for the user. You can click the shopping tab and see the categories. In a category, he can select one, can see the rating, it is 3 now. He can buy it and it can go to the payment gateway. So the main enhancement in ours is where we recommend the product to another friend. Before that, let us see what is view reviews. So he's already given a review named as good quality. So this good before this review it was 2.5, and now it is changed to 3 because of the positive review. Let us see how it has become positive. But before that, let us even see what is recommend your friend. So John can recommend that product to one of his friends. So let us, for example, say that Kavya is his friend, and he searches that. So there is already one email where he'll select the valid email and then send. So the recommendation is sent. So let us see from Kavya's end what actually happens. So this is her home page, the shopping site and the recommendations, and can see before Shraddha has recommended Kavya product, so that was Apple iPhone, and now again John has recommended another product, and when he clicked on view product, she can see Apple iPhone. So this is what is user side. Let's get into the admin side, what actually happens for the reviews, how are they calculated and all. So with appropriate credentials, add data was a tab which I've already dealt, and sentiment analysis is where you can see all the reviews. So good quality is the latest review which we've given. Then process. This is where the reviews are divided into words, and then we can see the positive or the negative score of every review. So good quality, where good is positive, so 1, quality is just a product feature, so it doesn't have any positive or negative score. So positive is the final result which we've got for good quality, and we can see that the product ID is 1 for our phone. So that is for sentiment analysis. And then let us see what is LE. Like we have few sets, namely 5 sets here. These 5 sets are where we can the words in it are matched with the review of the user. Then is the process tab, where for every set there is an initial score, and according to the review the score is either decreased or increased. And then we have evaluation tab, where this evaluation so the evaluation tab is where the admin can see a graph of rating and rating versus product. So this is how the admin is working in our project. So we've used a different technique instead of matrix factorization. Yes, we've used part of it but not totally, and this is how we implement our project. Thank you so much.